Okay guys, in this part of video I will show how I use how I usually optimize NINJ4 XAU Basket Sentinel on desktop cTrader. The mobile app is useful for starting and monitoring cbot, but for serious backtesting and optimization I recommend using desktop cTrader. For example, I use XAUUSD on M15 timeframe. The main idea is simple. Before using cbot in the present market, I prefer to test on recent historical data. One practical workflow is to optimize the cbot on the previous months. Then I check the selected settings on another period. Only after that I consider using them in the present months. This does not guarantee future results, but it gives a more structured way to prepare the settings, yeah? So, what we will do, we will open the cTrader desktop version. You can see it now. Go to Algo section, select NINJ4 XAU Basket Sentinel, then choose your symbol XAUUSD, time frame M15, and then choose a testing period. For example, this one and this one time. But this is for backtesting. For optimization, it's another section is here. What is running now? This is important for gold because XAUUSD can behave differently from a month to month. Some months are more directional, some months are more volatile, and some months are more range based. That is why I prefer to use recent historical data first. Then I check the selected results on another period before using it on the present market. So let's go for optimization section. Now we open the optimization section. Is here. I do not optimize every parameter at the same time. You can see only few ticks are set. Rest are constant. So I'm just only optimization settings what you can see now. For the first step, I focus only on the main trading logic. The main parameters I optimize are start hour, stop hour, order distance, order layers, single take profit pips, trade direction, group profit, recovery profit, max orders round, and don't forget about maximum spread according to your broker. It can differ. Mine is 7, so your broker can have more spread, so you need to do it accordingly. So this parameters control the core behavior of the cbot. They control when the bot trades, how the basket is built, how far the orders are placed, what direction mode is used, and how the basket closes. So if you like, of course, I can it's now running. I can provide you my settings for optimization. I have it in my computer, laptop, and I easily can share with you guys. And I can do it for you. For example, if you don't have access for desktop version, I can do optimization for you. Just tell me what months you would like to optimize, and then I will share with you optimization result and settings for parameter settings for cbot, like I have it in my of course folder parameter cbots after last optimization. So you will just upload it, and then it will be and then you can work it accordingly. So what these parameters mean? So start hour and stop hour control when the cbot is allowed to trade. Order distance controls the distance between basket orders. Order layers controls how many basket levels can be used. Single take profit pips single take profit pips controls the take profit distance. Trade direction allows testing buy, sell, or auto mode. Group profit controls when the basket can close in profit. Recovery profit Controls the recovery profit logic, of course. Max orders per round. Limits how many orders can be opened in one basket round. Next is the risk settings. The risk settings should usually stay controlled and conservative. Usually I'm not changing anything, so I set it up according to my broker, or if you're using prop firm, you can set it according to the prop rules. For example, daily loss, open loss, total loss, emergency cut, max total lot. I do not want the optimizer to make the result look good only by increasing risk too much. That is why in the first optimization step I keep the risk settings fixed and focus on the main trading logic. Optimization criteria, I use a balance setup. So it's a net profit, max equity drawdown, and winning trades. This helps the optimizer search for profit, but also pay attention to drawdown and trade activity. After that, I start the optimization. Don't forget, of course, you need to set starting capital. Starting capital is 1000. Commission, according to your broker. Commission type, USD per 1 million, USD volume, and important tick data from server. Where to find commission? You need to go to trade section of XAUUSD and then symbol info. In symbol info you can find commission per million USD volume, so $12. Some use different settings. You need to be accurate, you need to check your broker, and you can see here always what is your commission. So after that, all this settings set up, double check everything in order. That live trading is yes, otherwise it will not work. Live trading, yes. Double check is everything okay. This one, optimization criteria, is done. Very good. Generic algorithm, okay. And this one is done. And date, okay. And then you need to click the start, and it will start what it's doing now. So you can see it's running now. Present condition, so it's calculating. The last best is 929. Then we can see the reports, all the reports, blah blah blah. Not so bad. So but it's still running, and it's 2 hours to go. Okay, next, how to choose a result after the optimization is completed. How to choose the best result, best settings for your cbot. So when the results are ready, I do not choose the result only by the highest profit. The highest profit is not always the best result. I prefer to check the full picture. I look at net profit, profit factor, max balance drawdown, max equity drawdown, number of trades, everything you can see here. Average trade, equity curve. For me, a good result should be balanced. It should have profit, it should have acceptable drawdown, it should have enough trades, and the equity should look cleaner, not too aggressive. Yeah. And then when I choose the best one, of course you can ask ChatGPT or any IE or platform to help you to choose the best settings for you. Just make a screenshot of results, send him and ask for suggestion, for advice if you don't know what to do. Or you can ask me by email or whatever, so I can always assist you guys. So backtest. So after you find the balance pass, apply settings, then run a normal backtest again. So for example, this one is for you is the best. You choose this one, the best for you. And by the way, this can be also auto select the best pass. the program can select you the best path. So the best path according to this program is this one. So apply settings. It will be applied to your parameters. Then you will go to backtesting mode. Choose the dates, what period you would like to backtest. Choose the backtesting settings, again 1000 capital, commission, take data from server, and then run. So now it's running backtest for this time of period, same period what I was doing optimization. And then we will see the result. After the final settings are selected, I recommend save this file, of course, to separate folder, and to keep your history, backtesting history, optimization history in your drive, of course. Then it's easier to monitor or to check what's going on. And of course, backtest results can differ between brokers, guys. Yeah, don't forget about this. The result depends on the spread, commission, execution, symbol, specification, historical data quality. Don't forget that trading involves risk. Yeah, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but optimization is a key, guys. Optimization is really the key of future trading. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just ask me, and I will always assist you. If you don't have access to desktop version, just ask me. I will do it for you. Okay, guys? Thank you.